Telcoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video once again we are going to talk about the Telcoin. What's the current price of Telcoin? What's the price of Telcoin? And you know what, my friends, at this time the whole cryptocurrencies market is going down. Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, which in Shiba, these all coin at this time is going down. The price changes in this coin is negative at this time, my friends. Same like it, the Telcoin price is also negative, but now the latest price change occurring in the Telcoin is going positive. In the last 60 minutes, the price start pumping, so maybe they will continue this pump for a long time. There is a possibility, my friends. We can't say about the future, but maybe they will continue this pump for a long time, my friends. Anyways, before starting this video, before talking more about the Telcoin, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video, my friends. The current and latest price of the Telcoin is 0.024661 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Telcoin. Furthermore, my friends, the last 1 day, last 1 week, from the last 1 month, the price of Telcoin is going down. From the last 1 month. So from the last 1 month, the price is going down. So that's mean that you're in the loss and you're losing your money and the Telcoin. So how you can save yourself from loss? In this video, my friends, I will show you, my friends. My friends, I think that holding is the only way to save yourself from loss. Now you know that Telcoin price is negative. Telcoin price is very low. So that's clear. Hold. With the passage of time, the price will pump. So you will get profit. Otherwise, if you decide to sell on this time, so the current price is very low. So if you decide to sell on this price, you are in the loss. That's why I recommend for everyone, my special advice for everyone is please hold, don't decide to sell. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.